Salt River, Clarendon. A Jamaican Canadian man body was discovered riddled with bullets. This is breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari soldier. You have Deep Roots TV. Salt River, Clarendon. During an early morning Tuesday, man decomposed body was found in the Salt River in Clarendon. According to the police, the body is believed to be that of Merrick Aries, a 43-year-old Kingston resident who lives at 46 Paddington Terrace and is also a resident of Canada. It is the goal of homicide detectives to determine the motives for the murder of Aries, whose bullet-riddled body was found at a popular location in Clarendon. After the cops got to the scene, the body was found on the back, wearing a white t-shirt, white underpants, blue jeans, and white sneakers. It was observed that the deceased's pants were halfway down and his belt was unfastened upon his discovery. The police believe that based on their assessment of the scene, it is possible that Aries had been lured to the area and was robbed for his belongings, according to reports. However, there was a gray Honda motor vehicle parked beside the body of the deceased. In a subsequent check, it was discovered that the car was the property of a rental company with branches located in Kingston, St. Anne's, and St. James. According to preliminary investigations, the vehicle was rented in St. James last Saturday and was scheduled to return on October 30. Police have reported that items were found in the car that may be able to use in their investigation. Ladies and gentlemen, another foreigner found himself in Jamaica. Get dashed with like some little cheap paper. My condolences to the family and friends, and more life, more joy. Make sure you protect your 1 point. I'm telling you, people, I don't understand.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the rain. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and not him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah, bang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune